Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and today we are joined once more time with a highly requested guest that you have seen her on the channel before. She has been on the channel maybe, what, 5, 6, 7 times?
I'm gonna say like a solid 5 times.
Yeah, and you guys have commented a lot, so I brought her back to join us today. We're going over Play Octopus, this thing right here. It's a cool new tablet company that pays Uber and Lyft drivers up to $100 extra per month. So Crystal and I both use Play Octopus, so we thought, hey, why not answer some questions, because a lot of people have them. So why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself for all the newbies out there.
Hello newbies, I'm Crystal. I'm a freelance makeup artist. I do Uber and Lyft part-time to supplement my income, and I also have this Play Octopus tablet mounted in my car.
Boom, boom, boom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, but I did need to confront you about something.
Confront me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you did come over, but one thing I didn't notice is that, you know, you're not wearing the Rideshare merch. Where's your merch at?
Yeah, so I'm not wearing my merch today, because I wear it so often.
You gotta go.
Know,
I'm sorry.
I wear it all the time, and I had to wash it, so I'm not wearing it today. And
it's okay.
You know, I should have.
I'll forgive you, but this is your last warning, so next time you come over, like.
Final warning. Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. You can wear it whenever you want. I just think it's so comfy, so I just wear it all the time. But regardless, let's get into the video. Play Octopus. They started a couple years ago, and yeah, well, basically you put it in the back of your headrest, and your passengers can play games on it, totally free for them and for you as the driver. So yeah, drivers can make up to $100 extra per month. Passengers can win $25 for winning a game. Like, that's pretty insane.
Yeah.
It's 2019. Stop being a hater. Get a freaking tablet for free. You know, it's free money waiting for you.
Yeah, if you're driving all the time, I mean, there's no reason why you wouldn't want this.
It's passive income if it's in your market. So let's hop into the Play Octopus Q&A. Let's do it. So the first question is, how do you sign up? Well,
very simple.
We conveniently left a link in the description. It's the first link right down there. So you can click on that and you can sign up using our referral code, and it'll be there as well. So just make sure you use the referral code so you can get fast track to get your tablet as soon as you can. And yeah, basically this kind of leeways into our next question, which is, how do you qualify?
Oh yeah, so how you qualify, you gotta be riding around or give 100 rides a month.
Yeah.
So 100 or more, which is pretty simple if you're driving, you know, even part-time like me. I'm driving 5 days a week. Simple to do 25 rides each week to make 100 a month. Yeah,
it's around 20 to 25 rides per week. Yeah, and like you said, if you fall a little bit under that, I mean, you don't have to like you want to be hitting around that number, but like if you fall below or you need to take a break, you can take a break. It's called pausing it in the Play Octopus app. So, you know, they are understandable that, like, yeah, drivers, you know, maybe you take a week off, maybe you go travel for a month. You know what I mean?
There's actually options for that. They say, like, what's the reason for pausing?
Yeah.
It's like you're sick, you're gonna travel, stuff like that.
Yeah, so just going along with that, like qualifying when you're hitting those 100 rides a month, they're gonna ask you for screenshots. So if you haven't done 100 rides yet, do your 100 rides and then sign up for Play Octopus so you don't get denied, so you actually have the screenshots. And then also, of course, you need to be in a qualifying market.
Yes. So I had mentioned in another video that I tried signing up and sending this over to my Bakersfield address, and that did not work. So I had to get this shipped at my LA address. Yeah. So, I know, kind of weird that I have 2 addresses, but whatever.
That's
I'm just letting you know, even if you're like from a city, not from Los Angeles, and you're driving in LA, they're not going to send you a tablet.
Yeah, and they're in a lot of major markets. I'm just going to say really quickly the ones they are in. Austin, Texas, Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, Texas, Denver, Houston, Vegas, LA, Miami, New York, Philadelphia, San Antonio, Seattle, Washington, D.C., And they have a bunch that they're about to launch in soon. And if you haven't heard, they just got a huge round of funding. I think they got like several $1 million in funding. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a tech guru, but they should be basically expanding, hopefully like nationwide within the next couple of years. So sign up, even if it's on your market, join the wait list. They're expanding rapidly.
Yeah,
so,
that's awesome. So get in now before any incentive disappears.
Yeah, exactly. Question number 3 is, how does Play Octopus work?
So basically, you get this shipped to you, you charge this, and you mount it in your car.
Yeah.
And that's in our other video, so.
Yeah. We did a unboxing video if you want to check that out. We will also leave that link in the description below the sign up link if you guys want to watch us unbox and set it up. I mean, obviously she already had it set up, but like we just did it for the sake of the video for you guys.
Yeah. So you literally just start driving with this mounted and on in your back seat, and riders see it. You let your riders know, like, hey, those games are for you. They're free, and they play. That's how it works.
A lot of people have asked me on the videos, like, can you log into like Instagram or Facebook on there, or go on Safari? No, you can't. It's literally just for Play Octopus. Yeah. That's the sole purpose of it. You don't need to use your own Wi-Fi too, because some people, you guys did ask that. You don't have to, use a hotspot. They provide, it's a Sprint data plan that's connected automatically. Everything's automatic. You don't need to set anything up. Literally, as soon as you turn it on, it's running. Okay.
It even shows the weather in your city, so.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
So question number 4 is, what do riders say? What's been your experience?
So riders just ask like, oh, is this for me? Because I don't usually tell them like those games are for you. I don't tell every single rider that.
Yeah.
So if I forget to tell them, they ask like, oh, what is this? Is this for me or whatever? And I say, oh yeah, you can play trivia. Go ahead and play. A lot of riders ask
they can get $25.
Oh, and they can win $25 each day. There's like one winner in all cities or something.
Yeah.
And so actually like that's cool because that's the competitive aspect of it, and riders like really like that, and then they get all addicted to this, so they just keep on playing and playing and playing. They say it's fun.
And you get 1 point per game. So like I've had some people play like 10 games in a row.
Yeah.
On like long rides.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they get addicted to this. One rider had asked, how do you make money off of this? I say, well, I just have it mounted in my car and it plays ads, and pretty much I get paid off those ads, or actually Octopus gets paid off those ads and they pay me, so.
It's literally just like YouTube.
Yeah.
Like that, YouTube makes money from the ads and they take a 50-50 cut with the creator. So it's literally the same business model. It's pretty straightforward. But yeah, so the next one is, how much does it cost?
Costs nothing.
It's
Zero.
free.
It's free.
It's free. They say it's free as long as you drive 100 rides per month.
Yeah, nothing is ever free, so you do have to ride.
It's free because you're making money for them. So like that's the catch or whatever. So and
the ads and all
the
that.
next question is, what's the catch? It's free?
There is a catch. You got to be driving.
Yeah, basically, like they say, they offset the cost by showing short advertisements in between games. We need a minimum number of passengers. So basically the way it works for all you non-techie entrepreneurs out there is that the way that Play Octopus makes money is they have partnerships with large companies that want to run ads and get their ads seen by people, aka rideshare passengers. So there is we saw that they have Disney Plus, which maybe you guys heard just came out. It's like Netflix for Disney movies and Disney shows. Basically, Disney Plus wants people to know about it. So where's a great way to target like normal everyday people? In rideshare cars. So they'll send Play Octopus, I don't know, however many thousands of dollars for every view that they get, and then that money is split with all the drivers. So that's how it works. It's
just so simple.
Yeah, it's really simple. It's really cool. I wouldn't be surprised if every single Uber and Lyft car in the future will have some sort of tablet on it in the future. Right now it's still kind of like, I rarely see them in cars when I take rides, so like it's still really rare, but like I wouldn't be surprised it got more popular.
Yeah, I feel like in a year everybody's gonna have these. All Uber and Lyft drivers will have this in their car.
Yeah. Okay, number 7 is, does Play Octopus pay drivers?
Yes. Play Octopus pays drivers up to $100 every single month, and we earn points. So every point that we get, we redeem those points.
Once you
for
get
the
250
money.
points, then you get $25. So
Yeah, so every 250 is 25, and then you can get 1,000 points in a month, and
Yeah.
you get $100.
and the way that works is every single time a passenger plays a game, you get 1 point, and then I think every mile you drive, you get like a half a point or something. I'm not exactly sure.
I'm not exactly sure how that works either.
But yeah, you get points even if your passengers don't play games, just for driving around. And then you can also do referrals as well. So you can refer your friends or people on the internet, I don't know, to sign up to, and you get $25 per person.
Yes.
So I actually went to a meet and greet for Play Octopus when they launched in LA, and they threw a little party, and I went to it, and a lot of the drivers there, they were like, "Oh, I mostly just do referrals." They were like, "Yeah, I walk around and one guy was like, "Yeah, I go to the airport and just hand out my referral cards to everyone." And I'm like, "Hey, if you want to do that,
works.
yeah, whatever works." So
But they do have to follow the whole process. I mean, they have to complete the whole process and actually receive their tablet, mount it, drive around, and then you get your referral reward.
He would actually sign up the drivers like there on the spot.
Wow, okay.
So he would like tell them like, here's how to sign up, do it, and then they would like. So he was like smart about it.
Ultimate salesperson right there.
Yeah. So the next one is, how many rides do I have to give? How do you know how many rides I give? How does Play Octopus know how many rides the driver gives?
Yeah, so it kind of like measures the distance somehow. So
It has
this
a
has,
GPS built in.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it even has a camera.
They're
Okay,
watching.
so yeah, customers did ask about the camera, or passengers asked, is this filming me or whatever? It's not filming them,
Yeah.
from what we know.
Probably somebody's watching you somewhere. Let's
Yeah.
face it. And then,
Even if this is like sitting on your seat, you'll get a text message saying like the tablet isn't properly mounted.
Oh,
So, it kind of is like it's tracking this.
Yeah.
It's tracking the movement of this device.
It basically estimates the rides based on how far the distance is. It's probably like 7-mile ride average or something. I don't know. Okay, so the next question is, why do you need my debit card? So you can get paid money.
I totally forgot about this part, honestly.
Yeah.
It is to get paid. I remember that. I wouldn't have given my debit card number if it wasn't.
Okay, the next one is, this is a big popular question. What if somebody steals the tablet?
Good question.
What happens if
somebody steals it?
It is totally possible. Yes, somebody could easily. Let's face it, there are some weirdo Uber and Lyft riders out there. Some people are crazy. I saw a video of one chick. She stole money out of a guy's tip jar.
Oh my god.
And it was caught on the dash cam. And it was like $3. And she became like this whole meme. She was like trying to be a model or something. She totally got blacklisted from her community.
God.
It was like this whole big ordeal over $3. But yeah, some people will try to steal a tablet because they think they can sell it for $20 or whatever. In my experience, I don't really it is kind of hard to take it off of the mount. Like they really have to unstrap the thing, and they have to reach around to the front. So it's not just an easy grab, but it is totally possible. And they say that it's extremely rare, but in the event that a tablet is stolen, please provide us with the related police report, and we will waive the tablet loss fee. So if it does happen in the rare case, you'll be fine as long as you file a police report.
Yeah, and plus, you gotta remember that your passengers, we have all their info on file.
Exactly.
Uber and Lyft has their information. They're not gonna steal from you, except for that one girl that stole $3.
Yeah.
But don't be leaving cash around.
Yeah.
And you should be fine.
All right, so the next question is, does it matter which rideshare service I drive for? They say no, it doesn't matter at all. You can drive for Uber, Lyft, or any rideshare service. So, I don't know, maybe you're driving for some weirdo Timbuktu, Idaho rideshare service. I don't know. You can use that service too. But yes, the most popular ones are obviously Uber and Lyft. Any words to say on that one?
Nope.
Cool. On to the next one. Where can I get a tablet? That's a great question. Thank you for asking, guys. We left a sign-on link in the description below. Sign up using our referral code. It will make us very, very happy, and also will make us sleep better at night if you use our referral code and our link in the description. We just ask that you use ours just because, you know, we are providing this information for free. They don't need, I mean, you don't need to pay for it, obviously. But no, just kidding. I mean, you could just sign up on their website, but, you know, you can use ours if you want. And then if you're approved, they mail a tablet and accessories. You don't have the accessories on you.
No.
But basically, what else does it come with?
So it comes with the strap that goes around your headrest and the little clips that you mount this on. And then it gives you a whole cable so you can charge it while you are driving.
Yep. That's about it, guys. So, with that being said, thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about Play Octopus, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I read every single comment posted on my channel, believe it or not. Yes, even the haters. I read every single comment. I don't respond to all of them, but if you do ask a good question, like, you know, you're just trying to learn information, I'll be more than happy to respond to your question.
Yeah, and all I have to say is there's no reason why you shouldn't get this. So simple, they're gonna ship it to you. It's really easy to set up. You don't have to do anything except for dismount it and put it back on each and every time you drive.
You can literally be laying in bed on your phone, sign up, and then get it shipped to your door a couple days later. Like, you don't have to go drive anywhere to pick it up or get, I don't know, an onboarding meeting or get your car inspected. They just send it to you, okay? It's pretty sweet. Welcome to the new world, okay? But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and make sure to destroy the subscribe button so you won't miss another video on Uber and Lyft. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, Crystal, for coming on the channel.
Yes, thank you for having me.
We'll see you all next time. Have a good one, guys.